You done making noise?
Almost.
Well, everybody, welcome back to Drinks Up. Burnout car build update. Front end's getting put together, starter's getting put on. I'm gonna wait for Dawson to put the gas tank on.
You know what size that is, Dad?
What?
These bolts?
Hmm.
Where'd it go?
You're gonna tip the car over. We've tried to come up with a couple names. Dawson said the Gobbler. Green Gobbler.
It's not a good name.
No, it's
okay.
It's okay. I'm not gonna diss him. Then I was thinking the Bull, paint it candy apple red, cowhide, bull horns. Now I was thinking Thunder Chicken, but that's not good. So call it the Dawson on this next one. It's a Warbird. Red, white, and blue, flags flying, smoke going. What do you think?
I think it's a good name. My favorite name so far.
Yeah. You got the starter down there with you?
Yeah.
It's down here.
Don't scratch the paint.
Paint on what?
We got the metal for the floor pan. We got the pedal. Both pedal assemblies. Master cylinder, brake booster, gas tank.
You smoke?
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Went to Harbor Freight, picked up some stuff we needed to get the floor done. More wire, rivet gun, rivets, gasket kit, beer, plenty of beer, ungodly amount of beer.
Hey, Steven, can you give me a light?
And I don't know if I showed you guys this.
I don't know where I put it at.
There's one right there.
There we go. We gotta get
Over there.
some gauges.
I just need
That's what I was
something,
looking for.
dude.
Get these boys to
Oh,
finish it up,
yeah.
wire it up, get her running.
It's got plenty.
I don't know why you ain't grab the headband one, dude.
Isn't that out here?
No. We got this big one up here.
Which one? My friend was on.
I'll get this out there so you guys have some content to watch. Catch you on the next one.